Thursday's precise and important news. Special Representative of OIC met with Acting Foreign Affairs Minister. The Special Representative of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation in Afghanistan met with the Acting Minister of Foreign Affairs, Maulawi Amir Khan Muttaqi. The project of extending the 220 kilovolt power line from Ghazni to Kandahar has started. DEB says that the project of extending the 220 kilovolt power line from Ghazni to Kandahar has started. This project has the capacity to produce 300 megawatts of electricity, based on which Ghazni, Kabul and Kandahar provinces will benefit from the said electricity. The construction work of Koshtepa Canal to be completed from internal budget. The officials of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan assured during the visit of the Koshtepa Canal that they will complete the work of the said canal 100% from internal budget. Security forces rescue 2 persons from kidnappers. Farah Police Headquarters says that security forces rescued 2 persons from the clutches of kidnappers in Farah province. It adds 2 kidnappers were arrested during this operation and have been handed over to judicial organs for further investigation. 3 suspects arrested in the last 24 hours. Kabul headquarters says the anti-narcotics police have conducted 2 operations in the last 24 hours. As a result of this operation, 15 kg of hashish, a drug factory was discovered and 3 individuals were detained. DEB to auction $15 million. The Afghanistan Bank has announced that in order to maintain and stabilize the value of the Afghani currency, it will auction $15 million on 11th of March, Saturday. The bank has asked eligible banks and exchange and money services companies to participate in this tender.